How to create a Discord chatbot without coding. Alright, so I will be showing you in two ways. The first one is Repl.it, which is free but not 24/7 hours, and the second one is Sparket, which is paid, but we all know that the first step is to create a bot. To do that, just go to the developer portals. Once you're there, click on the option to create a new application, enter your name and agree to their terms of service, and then click on create. Now go to the bot section, then enable the intents options and click on save changes. If you scroll up from here, you will able to get your bot token, which we will be using later in the video. For the bot invite link, simply go to OAuth 2 and then URL generator, in scopes select bot, scroll down and from this link you can invite the bot to your server. Hosting the bot in Sparket host. Once you are on Sparket host, the first thing you need to do is upload your bot files. Go to the files section and obtain the files by visiting this GitHub page mentioned in the description. Click on the green code button and download them as a zip file. After the download is complete, use any file extractor to extract the files. Once you have finished extracting, simply upload them to Sparket host by dragging and dropping or selecting the directory. Now wait for some time until your files are uploaded. The next step is to link your bot token to the code. To accomplish this, navigate to the variables section, click on create a variable and in the key field, type token in all capital letters. Now, for the value of the token, go to the developer portal and locate the bot section, click on reset token and copy your bot token, paste the token into the value section of the variable you created. Now, for the final step, navigate to the files section and locate the index.js file, open the file and go to line number 19. Here, you need to enter the channel ID where you want the bot to communicate. To obtain the channel ID, go to the server where the bot is invited, right-click on the desired channel and select Copy Channel ID. If you don't have this option, you can enable it by accessing your user settings, then going to the Advanced section, and enabling the developer option from. Once you have copied the channel ID, return to the index.js file, paste the ID in the designated location, save the file, and you're all set. To begin hosting your bot, navigate to the console section and click on the Start button. Wait patiently as the system installs all the necessary files and starts hosting your bot. If you see this message, it indicates that your bot is ready to be used. However, if you encounter this error message during the hosting process, it means that the bot token you entered is incorrect. Additionally, if your bot is not responding to your messages, it suggests that the channel ID you pasted is different from the one you are currently using to communicate. Therefore, it's important to double-check and avoid these potential mistakes. Alright, to check the bot, simply send any message in the server where the bot is and it should reply to your messages. From now, your bot will be hosted 24/7 hours until your subscription is expired. Now let's talk how you can host it on Repl.it, which is free but not 24/7 hours method. To host the bot on Repl.it, visit this GitHub page, click the green code button and copy the GitHub repository link, then go to Repl.it and log into your account. Click on Create a Repl and select Import from GitHub, paste the URL into the provided field. Once your language is detected, simply click Import from GitHub to start importing the files. The import process may take some time depending on your internet connection.
One eternity later.
Alright, once you have imported the bot, the first step is to paste your bot token in the secrets section. To do this, go to the Tools section and locate Secrets, click on it and then select Create a new secret key. In the key section, type token in all capital letters. For the value, go to the Discord developers portal, navigate to the bot section, and copy your bot token. Finally, paste the bot token into the value section in Repl secrets. Now, open the index.js file and locate line number 19. You will need to enter the channel ID where you want the bot to interact. To obtain the channel ID, go to Discord and the server where the bot is invited, right-click on the channel and select Copy ID. If you don't see this option, you can enable it by going to your user settings, selecting Advanced, and enabling it from there. Once you have copied the channel ID, return to the index.js file and paste it in the appropriate place. Once you've completed this step, simply click on the Run button and wait for Replace.it to install all the necessary files and host the bot for you. If you get this message, it means the bot is online. Now simply go to the server and start chatting with your bot. So you can see the bot is working fine. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope this video will help you. Consider using Sparket for the best bot hosting and make sure to use my code for 10% off. Thank you for watching and peace out.